All right, so we're finally getting to putting up steel, and we're going to pre-punch all of the side steel. So I just measure, get my bottom trim set, and then measure up to each girt, get my measurements, mark them on my steel, and then we just mark them either with a punch or a purlin nail. Works good too. So and then when we put that piece of steel up there, all we have to do is just find the hole and put the screw in it, and we're good to go. All right, we are back at it today. I came out yesterday, which is Sunday, and I typically don't work on Sundays, but I trimmed out the fascia on both gable ends and got the ridge cap on. We have two really nice days with low wind, so we're gonna really make an effort to get most of this metal up in the next 2 days, and we should be able to wrap this building up this week. So we're pretty excited about that, but we're gonna start out by putting our skylight in on this north end. So this is polycarbonate, and it comes in 4-foot lengths. We're cutting it into 2-foot lengths because up here behind me there'll be a skylight all the way across the top. So we're just getting it cut. 47 3/4. 47 3/4. So we're cutting our angles for our gable ends, and this is a 412 roof. So every 36 inches, you are rising 1 foot. So it's pretty easy math. So every foot you're gaining 4 inches. So we're going to take 12 inches off this 3-foot sheet. However, this 3-foot sheet is actually 38 inches. So you want to make sure this is our overlap. So you want to make your first measurement here, which is our ending measurement for the last one. In this case, it was 47 3/4. So now we just want to add 12 inches to that. And that measurement gets made 36 inches over. So 36 inches is on the inside of this last rib. If you don't do that, you're covering more than 3 feet and you'd actually have to take off more. So we were 47 3/4, this is 59 3/4. And then we just have to connect those lines. Well, next one's coming up. See how it is. How's that look up there? On top, pretty good?
Yeah.
All right, guys, that's another day. Things took a little bit longer than we expected today, but we got this whole side done. We got the north side all finished up. We just have to get some trims that weren't included in this package. It's some J trim around the doors here. It's just something I want to add to finish it off the way I want to. I think it's the right thing to do, so we're going to pick that up in the morning and then hopefully get the opposite side done tomorrow. push this side up, push that side down. Does that make sense?
Yep.
We just need to cut a little bit of that off. There we go. And then the only cut you need on the bottom is that middle. Is all you should need. And then when it bends, that goes underneath. And then when you're looking at it from this way, it covers it. All right, we got 3 out of the 4 sides done. We just got to wait for some more material to come in, which hopefully that's Wednesday or Thursday. Friday's another nice day, so we'll be able to wrap up that south side underneath the lean-to. So we're pretty excited. We had a pretty good day today, and we'll be back here Friday.